The day 2 or day 3 setup is a setup which had a move, big news or earnings yesterday, day before that, or even 2 days ago. So these setups are called day 2, day 3 setups. Usually the traders forget about a setup. They trade it one day, they forget about it next day, but we don't. So I also did a detailed free webinar on X explaining the reasoning behind these setups. So yesterday Tesla was a short with Ripster MTF Cloud, huge trade for the traders yesterday. And this morning it bounced yesterday night and then it came back to this level. One important concept you need to remember is the yesterday's low. The previous day lows is a very important concept. It will make you a lot of money. You need to learn this concept. So you see the price was holding there. So the plan was pretty simple. Day 2 setup, 435 support, 437.50 resistance, short under yesterday lows. Watch out, the bullish reclaim. Long if it curls. So this was the plan. Plan was that if it breaks down here, we will short it towards the MTF clouds. If it curls or if it breaks out of that 437.50 area that I showed you in the pre-market plan, we will long it. And that's what happened. So as soon as I saw this pushing, I told the traders take it long and use 437 as your risk. You see it pushed over 437.50 very fast. Traders tell me, hey Rip, it went very fast. But you have to read those candles. The candle pulls back, take it right here. You know that your initial risk is the pre-market or yesterday lows. You know it's curling. You add starter position, and if you add a little higher, if you add in a 439, your risk is 437, $2 risk, and you hold that position. And if it holds higher, you average up and then you move your stops up. So I gave the target of 443 to the traders and we hit the 443 target because it was an MTF cloud in next 20-30 minutes. Then we were flagging at 10 a.m. You see this is the flag. This is the 10 a.m. flag right here. We were flagging the setup and I told the traders flag breaking, hold it. This is my repeatable flag setup. So from that flag setup, we had another flag right here and then we have another flag all day long. So all you had to do was to keep moving your stops up. And there was also a gap on the daily chart which filled a little bit, but if you see that there was a resistance from yesterday's pre-market and that's where it kind of topped off. But I told the traders to do not sell because we keep moving our stops up. Always use average to range for your targets. If you don't have any target, use the average to range. Average to range was 96% by the end of the day. Use the previous day resistance levels. Use the psychological levels for your targets. That's why I gave a target of 450 and we moved our stops to 445, 446. The final target I gave everybody was 100% ATR. So we did not cut it from the long, from the morning 438, 439s all the way to 450, 452s. We did not cut it. We finally cut it here. You see, I told the traders we are all done. That was a 512 short. Traders also took a short all the way down to the MTF clouds here. So this is how you make living with Tesla repeatable day 2 setup.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.